We are now on a car going to the airport back to Dubai. Yeah. Okay, so we just passed the scanning area there, as you can just see. Had a little problem with my Rubik's cubes because somebody thought that it was okay. Yeah. Anyways, we are now heading over to the airplane, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, finally, we are almost going to the plane, right? Just finished some Burger King. Yeah, so, okay, see you later on the plane. Here's a quick view of the mall inside the airport. Okay, so this video was obviously recorded during the plane flight, and oh my goodness, I was so tired, but I just wanted to make content, and yeah, so I started recording this as soon as the cabin crew said that I was able to switch on mobile phones, and in these two stalls you can see like just me solving, and if I don't look too focused on the keyboard, it's because I'm probably looking at the screen or something. Yeah, I don't really have much to say about this because I wasn't paying attention. All I know was that I was super and really, really tired. That is all I guess I could say for now. So, yeah, okay. We've almost just landed, and yeah, a few more minutes, and Papa is watching some. We finally landed, and yeah, see you on the next video. Bye.